Taiwan. I'm coming to you from Yilan in Taiwan and wanted to show you probably the most incredible fried chicken, actually baked or roasted chicken, that anyone has ever had. So let's take a look at it. This is world famous roasted chicken in Yilan. So let's take a look. This is the most incredible chicken that you could ever imagine. Look at the juice dripping off the bottom of that. This restaurant is famous in Taiwan for its chicken. So let's enjoy, and you can see that everyone here is having a great time. 谢谢.
This is very special vegetable.
I see that. Say hello to America, everybody. Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello.
垂帘，没看过在。
对啊，这个英文不要动。This is very special vegetable here has.
Oh, okay.
I don't know English name. It's Australian.
Almost looks like a chive, kind of.
Yeah, but it tastes like a chive. Try it.
So, video right now.
哎呀。
Say hello.
Hey, Francis. Hey, May.